2018 to 2024 Chevy Traverse USB port aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2018 Chevy Traverse. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB aux port right here. You want to get yourself a plastic interior tool. It's for no scratches. You could use a small flathead or like a butter knife, but you'll probably scratch your interior. If you want, you can pull your shifter back to get some more space. Just make sure your e-brake's on and you do it safely so you don't roll down a hill. Come to the left side and just put this in between the port and the console and just kind of squeeze it in between and push it and kind of pry the left side out. And then come to the right side and do the same thing. You should be able to pop both sides out and then grab it right here and just kind of gently pull it forward. There's a generous amount of wiring, so you have plenty of space to grab the connectors and undo them. You got a black connector and there's a thumb tab in the middle. Just push it down, pull the connector back, don't pull by the wires. Same with the gray connector, push the thumb tab down and then wiggle and pull the connector backwards. Now the wires may want to go back into the dash and you really don't want that to happen, so I put my tool in there to hold them still. Here's my old one right here. And there's a part number on the sticker on the side of the USB port. Here it is right here. They actually sell this genuine GM one on Amazon.com. And you can get aftermarket ones as well. I highly recommend going GM, but you can get aftermarket ones that they seem to have 5-star ratings. So I'll link them all below, down below. So I'll link quite a few options for you, but I highly recommend going GM OEM. And then I looked up the vehicle fitment. It fits a 2018 to 2024 Chevy Traverse. Once you get your new one, all you gotta do is plug it in. So let's get over here and we'll line it up right here. The black one goes in pretty easy, and then the gray one, there's like a connector within a connector, so you kind of got to be patient and line it up correctly. It's a little bit odd connector, but you just plug it in, it should kind of snap and click into place, and then all you got to do is gently put this back into this console. Same orientation it was when you took it out, and you should be just fine, and that's how you do it. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. And these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up. And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out.